How to add estimated prices in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can estimate the prices of the clothes. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Here on the left top, you can see a profile. Simply tap on it again. Now double tap here and you'll be able to enter this account settings. Here on the first option, select clothing and shoes. Now slowly scroll down. Here at the last option you can see price. Simply tap on price and tap on add. So here there are different questions that you can enter or answer into. So as you can see, it typically asks how much you spend on a particular cloth. So you can randomly keep it or you can even keep it according to what you spend. At last, simply tap on save and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.